Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Kia Forte. First, ensure Bluetooth is active on your phone and your car's infotainment system. On your Forte screen, navigate to the phone settings and select Add New Device. Your phone should then discover your vehicle. Select its name from your phone's Bluetooth list. A 4-digit passkey will appear on both screens. Confirm it to finalize the connection. This allows for hands-free calls and audio streaming. For a richer experience, you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Simply plug your smartphone into the Kia Forte's USB port, typically located in the center console, using a manufacturer-approved cable. On your car's screen, go to Device Connections and enable the respective phone projection option. Follow any on-screen prompts on both your phone and the car's display to grant permissions. Once connected, you can enjoy integrated navigation, music, and messaging apps. If you encounter connection issues, try a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your phone and your Kia Forte's infotainment system. If that doesn't work, delete your car from your phone's Bluetooth device list and then repair it from scratch. Always ensure your phone's operating system and the car's software are up to date. For wired connections, using a high-quality, original equipment manufacturer USB cable can prevent many common problems. To get the most out of your phone connection, regularly update your phone's operating system and your Kia Forte's infotainment software. You can customize your car's home screen to place your most used apps, like navigation or music, within easy reach. Don't forget to use the voice command button on your steering wheel for hands-free control of calls, messages, and media. For some models, a wireless adapter can provide a cable-free Apple CarPlay or Android Auto experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.